This is Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first step is to get the free Play Store app called Caffeine. That's the tool that allows us to set increased values for the screen timeout option or function, at least set those values below what the default system means allow us, or provides us with an opportunity to, and just generally set some custom auto screen off values as well. So anyway, launch the app once it is ready, then make sure the only thing that is important over here is to make sure that the timeout parameter or function was set to be at the infinite value. And as long as the Caffeine app stays active in the background, so make sure not to close it, maybe accidentally, or as you are used to close the apps all the time. And as long as it stays active and is opened in the background, your screen will not automatically turn itself off, no matter how much time it will be in the idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.